Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Eman. For today's Sunday tutorial, I will be showing you how to get gorgeous, long, voluminous natural lashes. I'll be showing you 3 different ways to grow your natural lashes so they look like you're wearing falsies. I'm starting with the first way to grow your natural lashes, and that is with a prescription. One of the most popular prescriptions for lash growth is a serum called Latisse. This is an FDA-approved treatment which is proven to make your lashes grow. This helps make your lashes look longer and thicker. To use it, apply it on clean eyes. It usually comes with application brushes. You apply it just at your lash line. It's just once a day at nighttime. For the first month, you use it every day, and you might not see a big difference right away, but by the second month is when you really see a difference. You'll see that your lashes are thicker and fuller, and you can then start using it a little bit less. You can bring it down to once a week to maintain the look of your lashes. The second way to grow your lashes is using an over-the-counter treatment. My favorite one, hands down, is the GrandeLash. It works amazing at helping stimulate growth and strengthen your lashes. I use it twice a day, morning and night. After a month, you will start to see results. And by the second month, you will notice a huge difference in your lashes. Your lashes will look super long and super full. This has given me such great results. I even got to a point where I could hardly wear falsies anymore because my lashes were just so long. And the third way to grow your lashes is with a natural remedy. Using an oil like castor oil or vegetable oil is a natural way for growing your lashes. The fatty acids from the oils penetrates the hair follicles, which is what helps them grow. A little bit goes a long way because castor oil is quite thick. I like to take either an eyeliner brush and just dip it into the oil and apply the oil at my lash line, or you can take a spoolie and dip it into the oil and then use it to coat and condition your lashes. You want to apply it every night, and within 2 months, you'll see a big difference in your lashes. And those are 3 ways you can grow your lashes to make them look beautiful and long and full and luscious. These tips definitely work, you guys. I personally have tried all of them and they all make a huge difference. I'm going to be providing you guys with a little bit more information about each product that I mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you want gorgeous looking lashes in a natural way, follow these tips. Let me know what you guys think below. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and if you're not following me on Instagram, you could also add me there at Eman. Leave me a comment below, you guys. I always love reading them, and I will see you guys next Sunday with a brand new tutorial.